So hi, this is Jeannie, Stained Glass Studio. Glad you could make it today for our Wisdom Wednesday that we love to do for you. And you know, you might think this is silly, but it is actually helpful. How to straighten out your pattern after it's been all crinkly. When it gets wet, it gets crinkly, and we're going to show you how to fix it.
Hi, it's David in the glass studio, and this is not a big deal, but I thought I'd just briefly show you. If you'll notice here, I've got a piece of glass that is rolling up and down on my pattern piece, and I don't like that. I want it to lay down flat. So you see how it's kind of wrinkled up, and so here's what I'm going to do to fix that problem. I'm taking some glass cleaner. And I just spray it on there, and that wets it enough that when I put it down, see that? It stays nice and flat. Now later on, this is a part that's wrinkled, and I'll spray it a little bit. And it seemed like there was another spot where something else was rocking over in this area. But anyhow, that's the trick, and it's not too bad, and underneath it'll dry later, but there you go. It lets your glass lay down flat, and it's a real quick solution to something that you might run into sometime. And let me know if this trick works for you. Alright, this has been David in the Glass Studio. Thanks.